So it's called the CRUD, somebody called the CRUD. So basically the simple is create, read, update, and delete. So basically if you understand very simple way, you read something, right? It's called the read. Like you update something, sorry, you create something, of course, you have to create a sign up, it's a CRUD, create something. Then you are reading something, right? You want to view something, it's called the read. Again, it's all you are doing on the website, okay? And you are updating something, it is simply called the update, and you're deleting something, you do that deleting. Most of the web behavior based on these four things. Other things happen too. Do not get me wrong, but other things happen as well. But again, you sign up, right? You create it, then you sign in, right? And then you actually read. Read means, of course, after you sign up to the TS40 website, now you can see that you can read some of the documentation. While some of the documentation you have a permission to update. So now you are updating that documentation. Some of the documents you have a permission to delete. So now you are deleting. So basically all your behavior in any application based on your access permission is simply web language, you call the CRUD, or somebody call the CRUD, but create, read, update, and delete. This is all the HTTP behavior, right? Means action you're doing. Go next. So we all know an array is a special variable that can be hold more than one. For example, we took an instructor array, right? The instructor ID, name, email, and then ID, name, and email, right? We just took an array on object with the two objects. Now we will do a CRUD operation. So that's what we have done, right? Let's go next. So in the CRUD operation, what we did, create an object inside the array. So we created a function, right? In the function, we just returning. I don't understand you have to go this one, please. I don't understand this one as details as you will do. Ashik, you go.
In this function, we're declaring a function with the UI ID and name, and we are returning an value where we're replacing the R variable and the V variable, like in the string format. We can also return with a specific format like a string, integer, and etc. And after that, we are storing that into the constant news object. Let's say in the news object, I am storing the UID that I'm getting from the function and storing it in the object where the key is ID and the value is UID, which I'm getting from the function. And then email and the name are the same. And after that, we are pushing it to our object, like say instructor.push. In this method, we can insert any kind of value to our array.
Got it? Okay. Is this the next one? Yeah. Updating an object inside the array.
In this section, we are getting the array, like say the constant index, and we are getting the instructor.findX, and we are looping, like we are seen like little bit time ago the loop. In here, we're looping it and getting it to the item, and after that item, we are seeing if the ID matches with the previous one or not. After that, if it doesn't match, then we are getting the previous array, like the instructor array, and we are storing the array that doesn't match with the ID and creating a new array that doesn't match with the previous one.
Okay, go next, please. Okay. Getting object inside an array.
And we are mapping it the object, the array of object, like we're getting an array of object in here, like this, the instructor ID, name, and email. And we are mapping it through, means we are already looping it in here and getting the instructor, and we are consoling the instructor object in here. See the object, then we are getting the I here means the index, in which index the object or the array is, the element is located in the array. And we're also getting that element and the value of the element.
Thank you. Let's go next. Again, when you'll go with the JavaScript, we'll be actually doing the very hands-on on dot by dot, line by line.